Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. This is Terry. I'm your host, and in this episode we're going to share what it's like to ride your own motorcycle on the island of St Kitt. Yep, we took our Harleys on a cruise ship. As we rode from the dock, all I kept thinking was, please don't fall in the water, please don't fall in the water. The ship's crew was great at keeping people away from our bikes and making sure everyone stayed safe. So let me share a little bit of how we were able to do this. You could go on these amazing tours pre-COVID. There used to be a company out of Nashville called ETA Motorcycle Cruises. They had fantastic trips where you would take your motorcycle on a cruise ship, and then at each port, you could go on a guided ride around the islands. Yes, you heard that right. You took your own bike, not a rental. They arranged for your fuel, insurance, and a license on the various islands. You were able to see the beauty of each destination from your own bike. We decided on a cruise that took us to Puerto Rico, St Maarten and St Kitt. It was amazing. There'll be a link at the end of this episode so you can check out the other ports from this adventure. This was a once-in-a-lifetime experience that we're thrilled we had the chance to go on and to share with you. We made some amazing memories and gained lifelong friends from this adventure. On the island of St Kitt, we were escorted for our ride by the local police and our guides from ETA. This island doesn't get to see the big bikes, and so you become quite a novelty as you cruise the island. The locals love to wave and encourage you to rev your motor. Tell any biker to rev their motor, and they are more than happy to oblige. This actually became a game, and we would see how many car alarms we could set off. The kids along the route loved it. The roads, as you can imagine, can be a little rough, so you need to be aware, but the bobbing and weaving is well worth it when you see the amazing views. So let's check out St. Kitt. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the fun. So let's take a look at what it's like to ride St. Kitt on your Harley. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.